Hello everyone, this is Anik here from Nebeskie Labs. Today we are going to talk about dashboard panels. So in this video, we'll be covering three things. What First of all is what are dashboard panels, then types of the dashboard panels, and then configuring panel with current data, parameter usages, and peaks. So let's jump into the video. Yeah. So what are dashboard panels? So the panels that you see here, the peak power. Energy for wire drawing machines and then cutting machine 1 and 2. So these are panels. Again, these are configurable. So how to configure, I'll just go ahead. So in the dashboard, so currently as you can see, I'm in the dashboard view. So there's on the top right corner there's a plus button. If you click on that, there are two things here. One is panel, that is gauge. We'll cover gauge maybe in a later video. So here we can choose what kind of panel parameter we are going to choose. In this case, we'll be choosing a parameter. We can go ahead and choose computed param as well. So there are certain restrictions in each of the cases. For parameter, there are options for to go ahead with usage, peak value, and current data. So when we go with current data is when you want to see the real-time data of a parameter. In case of a computed parameter, since it's a time driven thing, so we don't have any peak value as per se, so we can just directly view the usage of the computed param, that is on a daily basis how much is that going to get used. So based on that we can get a trend or a bar graph, right? So definitely I'll show that to you. So let's go with parameter. By default, parameter will choose the type as usage. So let's go to maybe drawing machine 5, let's say 4. Yeah, let's choose the power for that matter, and let's say we want to understand the peak power. The time duration I'll just put as 90 days for now, and let's say we name it as drawing machine for peak power. Yes. So once we click on submit, the the panel gets created. So as we can see, so we have recorded peak powers. So these days the power had been low, in certain days it hadn't been running. So here we can see that the peak power has reached a certain level, and so we can configure in that way. For deleting of a parameter or a panel, you can just right click on this one. So we have an option of delete. So once we click on that, this will get removed. As you can see, that has been removed. So other than that, for computer param, it will directly take usages. Whatever the usage was for the entire day, we can go ahead and choose that. Let's give an example of a real-time parameter. So I'll just go ahead and switch to organization. Yeah. So this is how the parameter looks like. So here I have configured the current temperature of a heatsink. This is a VFD heatsink temperature, and this will show the real-time data. As and when the temperature changes, this will also change. So I believe we have covered most of it. I'll just go through this one. So we have covered current data, parameter usages, and peaks. We know what kind of dashboard parameter, dashboard panels are there, and then what are dashboard panels. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.